Tinkermeister. Hands up if you like online stuff. Put your hands up in the air. All right, good. Put your hands down. Well, I want you to remember this website. Are you ready? Kidsgetaplan.com. Can you all say that for me? Kidsgetaplan.com. We have games online that you can learn all about weather safety. I thought today should be fun. How about if we create our very own thunderstorm inside this room right now? Okay. We are actually going to create this storm using nothing but sound. So I need 3 people to come up and help me. Would you like to come up and help me, do? Give us a look. Another person. Just somebody in the back. Young lady in the denim top there. Come on up here. There you go. All right. So I got 3 people to come up and help me. I think we should choose a teacher though. Alright, now boys and girls, I talked about vibration. These are called thunder drums. Basically long springs attached to these tubes. He's coming up to help me. Everybody say hi, Chris! Hi! There was a flash of lightning. Hold on. Do you think he needs to be like really dramatic? It sounds like there's a light rain outside here in Florida. Is it getting heavier outside? Are you listening? It's raining. And then the rain got really heavy. And it got so heavy, really, really heavy. And then there was a big flash of lightning. And thunder. There was another big flash of lightning. Boys and girls, listen up. These are true and false questions. These questions come from the Wacky Whiz Bang Weather Watching Wonder Quiz, where you can find online at... Once the lightning has stopped, it is okay to play in floodwaters. True or false? False, that is correct. Absolutely. When is it okay to play in floodwaters? Never. A tornado watch is in your area. Does that mean a tornado is coming your way? True or false? Jennifer.
Green. True.
You want to try again?
False.
False is correct. Very good. True. A tornado watch basically means the weather conditions in your area are favorable for a tornado.